I've got some very exciting news about a ride that I'm doing this year, and I just want to finally tell you about it. So, this is a ride that will be my longest ever ride, and it's one that I've wanted to do for about 2.5 years, and I'm finally going to do it in 2018. And that ride is So it's basically going to be, the one that I'm actually going to do is the Deloitte ride across Britain, and that is going to be, if you don't know what Land's End John O'Groats is, it's just like this epic ride from the two furthest points of Great Britain. So you go from Land's End to John O'Groats, and it's going to be, I think it's 969 miles, which is 1,600 kilometres over 9 days. So there's going to be some pretty big days there, some very hilly days, and I am so excited. This is one that I've wanted to do for so long, and you know, like from watching my videos, that I've ridden in like Thailand, Malaysia, Australia, Tenerife, Mallorca, so I've travelled in different countries. I've not actually ridden that much of the UK, so this has always been on my to-do list that I at some point wanted to do it, and 2018 is the year that I'm going to do it. So it also is going to be on my birthday as well. So it's from the 8th to the 16th of September. My birthday's on the 15th, so the second to the last day of it will be on my birthday, which is just, what better birthday present could you ever want than just to be riding up and down the UK. So that's what I'm going to be doing this year, and I'm going to be showing every single part of the whole run up to it. So I've got like 7 months, so February, 7 months. Like, I'm 32 years old and I still count on my fingers. Do you do that? But anyway, so 7 months training. I've got loads of other like training rides planned. I'm going to be showing you like what I'm going to take. I'm also going to be filming every single day. So you're going to get a video every single day of what the ride is like, what I'm experiencing, how I'm feeling. And I'm just so excited. So the one that I'm doing, if you actually wanted to come and join in, it is called the Deloitte Ride Across Britain. I'm going to leave all the description links and stuff, all the website links in the description box below, so if you want to go and have a quick look on that. But the reason that I chose to do this one is because the reason that I've always been kind of a bit put off by doing Land's End John O'Groats like on my own is the logistics of it. It's a long way, and I don't know, because it's like the longest ride that I've ever done, I was just a bit like, oh, it's just like organising everything really, organising getting to and from the start, like all the stuff in between, like carrying all your stuff. And what I love about this ride is everything, and I mean everything, is taken care of for you. So all you need to do on this is just literally ride your bike, and that sounds a lot easier than it sounds because it's a long way. But literally everything, there's like food stops, there are mechanics there are medics there, everything is catered for. Like your luggage is taken from point to point, and each night you get like a tent, and it's just going to be amazing. I am so pumped, I'm so excited to do it. And it also means, because of the luggage situation, it means that I can take my computer and all my filming stuff, so I'll be able to get some really lovely videos for you all so you can share the experience with me, because it is just one that I've wanted. I'm talking so fast, I'm aware of that. I think it's because I'm so excited. But it is one that I've wanted to do for so long, and I'm just, oh my god, I can't believe I'm going to do it. So yeah, 2018 is the year, Land's End John O'Groats, 8th to the 16th of September. And I think that is pretty much it, but I'm going to have so much like amazing videos coming up, just sharing the whole experience through it. So I'm going to actually create a separate playlist for all the stuff to do with the ride across Britain. So if that is all you're interested in, I'm going to put them in a separate playlist. But they are going to be coming now until September, so just keep your eyes peeled. But I'm just so excited. Oh my god, I want to do Land's End Johnny Groats. It's just one that I've wanted to do. I'm doing it on my own, so I know of one other person that is doing it. Not know them like personally, but I know of one other person that's doing it, and I'm just excited to meet so many other riders that are going to be doing it as well. And if you have any questions about it, then you can leave them in the comments. But I think that for now that's pretty much everything I need to talk to you about. But yeah, very excited, so happy to be doing it. Like I said, all the details for the ride are going to be posted in the description below, and I will see you next video.